I am Dr. Patita Pavan Das. I will give you a brief introduction on the subject Environmental Biotechnology. This video will be followed by a series of 40 video lectures covering the entire course. The name of the subject is Environmental Biotechnology, having the subject code BT 2.4. This subject is taught to the MSc Biotechnology students in their second semester. The objectives of this course is to introduce the students to the basic concepts of environment, to enable them to understand and analyze the various environmental problems, and to make the students capable of finding out solutions to the real environmental problems. In this course, we will be covering 40 lessons as listed here. In these lessons, the students will be able to learn the basic concepts of environment, issues relating to environment, environmental pollution and its types, measurement and control of air pollution, management of environment and its limitations. Water pollution, measurement and control of water pollution, treatment of wastewater using trickling filter, rotating drum and oxidation pond, aerobic and anaerobic wastewater treatment, treatment of wastewater from dairy, distillery, tannery, sugar and antibiotic industry, xenobiotic compounds and their degradation, bioremediation, integrated pest management, management of solid waste, techniques of composting, vermiculture and methane production, global environmental problems and their management. The global environmental problems like greenhouse effect, ozone depletion and acid deposition are not only affecting the health of the living organisms but also influencing the distribution and diversity of those organisms. Even to some extent, these environmental problems across the globe threaten the existence of these organisms. The health of the other environmental components like atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere is intimately connected with the existence and health of the living organisms present in the biosphere. After learning this course, the students will be in a position to find out solutions for the identified environmental problems. For further learning, the students may refer the e-sites of UGC MOOCs and National Digital Library. Similarly, they may follow the Taylor and Francis book, The Science of Environmental Pollution by Frank R. Spellman. The Taylor and Francis book, Encyclopedia of Environmental Science and Engineering, edited by James R. Sapin and Edward N. Ziegler, and the Springer book, Applied Environmental Biotechnology, Present Scenario and Future Trends, edited by Garima Kaushik. Thank you.